everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. Josie Maran kindly sent this over as part of PR and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician. I love to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing if you love product reviews. Josie Maran describes this as a luxe, lightweight, oil-powered cream that feeds the skin nutrient-rich fatty acids and vitamin E for super smooth, ultra hydrated effect. You can find this at josiemaran.com and Sephora. It will be linked down below for you. A 1.7 ounce unit retails for $45. Josie Maran suggests that you use this both day and night. You want to gently massage this onto the face to restore skin's health and vitality. This formula contains a number of good hydrating ingredients without any sensitizing, irritating, or fragrant ingredients. This contains Josie Maran's best-selling, ethically sourced 100% pure argan oil to soothe, nourish, and protect. Argan oil has some antioxidant properties. We see shea butter, another antioxidant-rich ingredient that has smoothing properties for dry skin. This is an ingredient often found in creamy moisturizers such as this one by Josie Maran. You should know that shea butter is non-comedogenic, so it is unlikely to cause breakouts or clog or congest your pores. We see aloe, leaf juice, a skin soother. We see squalane, an antioxidant that helps to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, and it prevents moisture loss and restores suppleness. I began using this what feels like months ago now, August 23rd. I did not detect a scent, and we didn't start on the right foot here. You will find. It didn't do well with the Medicate Hydrating Serum. I'll link my review to that product up above. And one of my favorite facial oils, the Alpha H Face Oil. It pilled. This pilled. So instead of massaging the oil as I typically do, I pat the oil onto the skin. Moisturizer felt nice, not too much of a slip, I will say, and this does remind me of Lala Retro, but this is possibly just a tad bit lighter. As a comparison, when I used the Medicate Face Serum with a Drunk Elephant's Proteiny Polypeptide Cream and the Golden Haze Oil, everything layered well, but when I used this product with that other combo, it pilled. On August 24th, I noted no pilling when I used the Medicate Hydrating Serum and the moisturizer alone. So I did not use the facial oil then, and we did a-okay. The skin felt a lot less dry and flaky, and this did have a faint, sweet scent from natural ingredients. This is not at all fragranced. On September 1st, I noted that this did not work well, again, with my Alpha H oil, even after I switched from a water-rich hydrating serum to a, I don't want to say waterless serum, but I switched on to this formula by Dr. Loretta. I do also have a review on this up above. This is one of my favorite products, I want to say, of 2023. I know this was not launched in 2023, but it is one of my favorites. It's a hydrating serum that you can use on your face and your hair. On September 13th, I noted that this worked well with the Josie Maran Triple Hydroxy Resurfacing Liquid. I will also link my review to that up above. And actually, these two were sent to me as a set, and they look beautiful together. This is a gentle resurfacing acid blend that I am still using now. I have about this much left of product here. On the 13th, I used this, followed by this, and I topped it off with the Drunk Elephant Marula oil, and I experienced no pilling. After weeks of use, I noted that it is when I use a, I guess, water based hydrating serum that it pills. I guess, you know, oil repels water, pilling. When used with the Dr. Loretta hydrating serum, no pilling. So I like this, but I don't think it's doing much for the skin other than moisturizing it overnight. It is not loaded with anti-agers. It is, however, loaded with hydrators, about 20. On September 22nd, I found my favorite way to use this product. And that night I used it with the Paula's Choice Triple Active Total Repair Serum with hexylresorcinol, retinoid, and niacinamide. This is perfect for lines, discoloration, and loss of firmness. I woke up and I was obsessed with the results. I will again link my review to this up above in case you are again concerned with the signs of aging. On September 22nd, I revisited the serum and I woke up with skin looking and feeling tighter, firmer, and balanced. And not that clean, tight feeling, just really good tightness all around. I wanted to go back to using my tretinoin, but I decided to revisit this instead, and I have not looked back since. I would highly recommend this to anyone concerned with the signs of aging. I'll link it down below. I have used a number of moisturizers over the years, and I didn't find this one to be groundbreaking on my normal skin. It did keep my skin from excessively flaking, feeling excessively dry when I was using tretinoin and this around the test time. I did not use this during the day, but I did today for the demo. It is not on my skin right now. During the day, this feels too heavy for me. I think that dry, very dry, dull skin will enjoy this during the day and night. Normal combo skin may just enjoy this at night. From use, I noted balanced, moisturized skin. It feels like this truly sank into the skin overnight as opposed to it sinking into the skin instantly. My skin did not feel sticky or tacky, and it did not feel heavy at all for overnight use. Daytime use, not for me. Unlike the vast majority of moisturizers in my collection, this unfortunately did not work well with water-based hydrating serums. So I just took a little bit of a break while my battery charged, and I got some bad news, so I might look and feel a little down. I will try my best to keep the energy I had before, but I cannot make any promises. So unlike the vast majority of moisturizers that I have in my collection, this did not play well with other products. I did not use this during the day, but if you do, make sure that you follow it with your favorite sunscreen. This did not work out with certain oils other than with using it with the Josie Maran triple hydroxy resurfacing liquid, this little guy over here. My favorite way to use this was with the Paula's Choice Triple Active Total Repair Serum. So I would begin my routine with the Elemis Cleansing Balm, the Josie Maran Enzyme Cleanser, a PCA Hydrating Toner, the Drunk Elephant Shaba Eye Complex, the Elemis Eye Cream. Then I would go in with the Paula's Choice Triple Active Total Repair Serum over the face, neck, and décolleté. Then I would follow it with the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. And I would not use a facial oil. That combo is truly chef's kiss. And I think that this combo here just really made me enjoy this moisturizer a little bit more. I would recommend this to anyone with dry combo, especially my sensitive skinned friends dealing with dryness, environmental stress, and the signs of aging. My pros here, this is fragrance free and it is unscented. scented. I did not experience excess congestion or breakouts or irritation from use. This is lightweight for me during nighttime use, and it did not feel greasy. When I did have this on the skin after the demo for a few minutes, I want to say maybe even like an hour, this did feel heavy for me during the day. At night, I do not mind this at all. This is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and the product or the jar is recyclable. All you want to do is wash after emptying and recycle. This is, again, sensitive skin friendly. It does not include any drying alcohols or pore sensitizing ingredients. My cons here is the fact that this pilled when I used oils over it when I had a water-based hydrating serum under the cream. A con I will include, and something I haven't done before, is this doesn't include as many anti-agers as I would like now. The older I get, the more I will begin to pay attention to this. And I know that I may not look as old as I am, but I am almost 40 years old. Just putting that out there. I am almost 40. So just letting y'all know in case I see any more comments that say you're too young for this. I am almost 40 years old and months away from it, not like, you know, years, months. I like this formula. My normal skin did very well with it with overnight use, but I did have to do some troubleshooting. And it is one of those products that, you know, we had a rough start. So it didn't perform as well as other formulas have done for me when paired with a facial oil. So I am deducting a point for pilling when used with hydrating serums or some facial oils. I was going to deduct more points for failing to completely rock my socks off, but this does contain on or about 20 hydrating ingredients. The claims here, let's remind ourselves: super smooth, hydrated skin, check. And that's what I got from using this overnight. So I'm rating this a 9 out of 10. I could probably even do an 8 out of 10 as well. I think it's reasonably priced, but would only recommend this truly to anyone with dry, sensitive skin who doesn't use or have a facial oil in their collection. This is something I have mentioned in my other Josie Maran product review videos, is that the more I test them, the more I realize that they formulate products for sensitive skin, and it is a, I would say, group that I haven't, I guess, really targeted with my product reviews. So I am just going to put this out there now. I feel like Josie Maran is definitely sensitive skin friendly. So if you fall under that category, if you are finicky with certain things, I feel like maybe you should look into Josie Maran products. I love that there are no drying alcohols, no fragrance, and from what I have seen, little to perhaps no essential oils, which is, I think, very, very good for sensitive skin. Let me know if you have used this product by Josie Maran. I know that it is not new and that it has been out in the market for years now. So I would really, really love to know what your experience has been with using this product in the comments down below. What were your results? Would you recommend this to others? Let me know. I have to go now because I am now getting the second phone call in like the last 10 minutes. So I am going to leave you now. Thank you all for spending some time with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Nope, we just did that one. Here we are. Ladies and gentlemen, let me try that again. I know, wild. Oh, okay. Oh.